A lot of people ask me, can I sell my software using an automated demo that I just put on my website, they watch it, and then they buy it? Will that work? Well, the answer is maybe, but it really depends, and I'm going to give you what it depends on. So check this out. Hey, this is Matt Wolach. I help software leaders understand how to grow their business by generating a whole bunch of more leads, by making sure you can close those leads, and getting somebody else to do it for you. If you want any of those things, definitely hit the subscribe down below and the little bell. That way you'll be notified about all of my upcoming tips and training so I can give you the tactics it takes to build a software company, just like I have done with my own software companies over and over again. Today we're talking about the automated demo, and you might have had a lot of people bugging you, seeing if you want them to build an animated demo for you or an animated video. So you've got animated videos, you've got a video of your demo, whether that's you doing it or a professional. Do those work? Is that going to get us software customers? Let's talk about that today. Now, before we do, if this is something that's really helpful for you, please like this. That'll show me that this is good content so I can make more videos like this, more trainings like this for you. And it also shows other people that this is good stuff so they watch it, so you're helping others as well. So hit that like button down there for me and that'll be great. And by the way, if you have any questions about any of this, put that down in the comments. I'll get to those. I'll answer those myself personally. So these automated demos, whether it's an animated video, an animated demo, or maybe a demo that you record and you just put it up, or maybe you do a webinar for people and you just record that and put that up. Does that work? Well, my answer before I told you was maybe. And the answer maybe actually depends primarily on your price point. So your price point definitely determines if you need an automated demo or you need a personalized demo, meaning you have a conversation personally with somebody. And so that price point break point is around $75 to $100 a month. If your product is under $75 to $100 a month, then you can close deals with an automated demo, whether that's a video that you created yourself or a professionally done animation or walkthrough of your tool. By the way, if you do that, please do not make it long. One of the things you'll need to do is make sure that it's short enough so that people don't lose their attention span. I see some of these that are 22 minutes long. You're not going to get a lot of views on that. Much better would be to have a 2 to 3 minute video that goes over the highlights. Now, this is best if you have a low price point, but as you get higher, it doesn't work so well. Nobody's clicking around the internet, watching videos and buying $1,000 a month products or $500 a month products or even $250 a month products. If that's what you are, you're going to need to talk to people. In that instance, yes, it might help to have some sort of quick explainer or quick animation to kind of give them ideas of what it can do, but they're going to really want to ask questions. They're going to want to hear from someone. They're going to want to make sure it works for them specifically. Once you get into the higher price points, what they're mostly worried about is, will it work for me? Will this be something I can get answers with? Can I solve my problem? And sometimes the automated stuff, the animated stuff, that's not going to get them the specific answers that they need. So you will actually have to talk to people. And I know that for a lot of you, that might be a wake-up call saying, oh no, I was hoping I could build the software and just launch it, everybody would sign up. Welcome to reality. That does not work anymore. You are going to have a conversation. And one of the things that was really impactful for me was I have a podcast, you may know it, Scale Your SaaS. And on that podcast, I had a professional software buyer on the show. His name's Chad Stewart. All he does is work for big-time companies and go out and buy their software for them so they don't have to spend time doing it. Well, I asked him, you're a professional buyer, you buy software all the time. What is the most important part of the process? And he said the demo is the #1 most impactful part of the sales process. That determines whether you can actually close the deal or not. He said a good demo is going to motivate us to move more closely to closing, whereas a bad demo will really turn us off. So if you want to know how to do a demo, check this video out here that you can learn exactly how to do a software demo. I break it down for you, make it really easy. And by the way, if you want to make sure that your demos are powerful, I have a full course on how to give a software demo. In fact, I call it Software Demo Secrets. Software Demo Secrets is where I've put all of the secrets that the experts don't want you to know so that you can go soak those up and you can start having amazingly impactful demos. Like my client Paul, who went from 26% close rate on his demo to 87% close rate. Once you understand these secrets, once you start knowing how to deliver them, it makes it a lot easier to be able to close deals. So if you are giving demos, definitely check out the link below, Software Demo Secrets. That'll show you how to give impactful demos so you start increasing your close rate, start generating more revenue. So do you need a real demo with a real person showing them something, or do you need an animated or an automated demo which is a video that they just watch? Again, it's based on your price point. Low price points, go ahead and do the automated thing. Once you get to higher price points, your goal is to get people into a live demo, a personalized demo, so you can focus on their specific problems, their specific pain points, and connect and associate your tool to their problems. If you can do that effectively, you are going to close a lot of deals. And when you close a lot of software deals, that means the valuation of your software is going to be really, really high, which means a very good day for you. So I hope this helps. I hope that the other resources that I've linked to have helped you as well. Go out, close a whole lot of deals, and I will see you next time. Take care.